Hi, my name is Caroline, this is Jamie, and this is Jenica, and we're gonna talk you through a military partner trick. So, what's gonna happen is Jamie will be doing a cartwheel onto me to land onto Jenica's shoulders. So, Jamie's job is to go and place her hands on my knees. She's gonna take her legs up and around, and instead of doing a full cartwheel, she's gonna cut that first one short so that it can land on Jenica's shoulder. Her next one is going to come around to this other shoulder, and she's gonna have to use her abs to squeeze herself up, so she's sitting. My job is to help, especially with that last part, and also just to hold her steady as she cartwheels. Jenica might have the hardest job because she has to keep her head up and watch for Jamie's first leg and catch it so that it lands right here so her other one can land steady. Here we go.